everyone, this is the unboxing video of the Nano Cured Facial Ionic Steamer from 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 model number FS550. It comes in a regular cardboard box, and on the front side of this box there's an image of the steamer itself. It says made for India. It comes with 1-year warranty, and if you look at this side, there are some prominent features mentioned here. It says UV stain sterilization, super fine nano ionic mist, fast mist in 50 seconds and 15 minutes hot mist cycle. And they have also provided us with some customer care details on the bottom of this side. And yes, if you look at this side, there are some steps mentioned on how to use this steamer, so you can take reference here. So yes, this is all about the box. Now let's open it and see what's inside. So here's the user manual. It contains all the important information about this steamer, so you should read it before using the steamer. And yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty card, so it's a good deal. We have a card here answering all the FAQs. So this is the steamer from 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤. It's beautiful. The pink and white combination looks pretty. It's light in weight and compact. It looks like a decoration piece, and on the top there's a handle, so it's handy and portable. Now on the front there's the branding, and here's the power button to switch on and switch off the steamer. And if you look at the back side, this is the water tank. Its capacity is 55 ml, and you can fill the water here. And this is the steam outlet. They have provided us with a cap to prevent the entry of dust, and they've also given an additional aroma tray with cotton pads. You can place this aroma tray here like this and put a few drops of essential oil or aroma oil in this cotton pad, and you can actually use this steamer as an aroma diffuser as well. And if I talk about the wire looks strong and thick, and it looks long as well. So overall this steamer looks quite good. So this was all about the unboxing of the Nano Cured Facial Ionic Steamer from 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 model number FS550. For more videos like this, stay tuned.